Hello folks, welcome back to WM Originals. Myself Akhil back with another video. Today I will share a short and quick Windows 10 tutorial on how to change default browser in Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's start this video and know how to make Google Chrome or any other browser your default browser in Windows 10. Click on Start and then go to Settings. From here click on Apps and then click on Default Apps. From here, one can not just change default browser but other default apps as well. Now scroll down a bit and here you see web browser. For default, Windows 10 comes with Microsoft Edge as a default browser. To change it, click on the Edge icon and it opens up a drop down list. From here, select the browser you want to make your default browser. Let's select Google Chrome. Now your default browser is successfully set to Google Chrome. This is how easy it is to change default browser in Windows 10. If this video was useful for you, do hit like button and do share it with others as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe to WM Originals for more such videos. This is Akhil saying goodbye for now. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.